Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free points on Microsoft Rewards. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of about 10 different ways to get more points. So Microsoft Rewards is a program that allows you to earn points by using Microsoft products and services. Here are several different ways to get free points on Microsoft Rewards. So the first way is Bing search. So if you earn points by searching the web using Bing on your desktop, you can earn up to a certain number of points per day, and mobile searches as well. So use Bing on your mobile device to earn additional points. And two here, daily sets. So complete daily sets of activities, which usually include quizzes, polls, and mini games. These can be accessed on the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Free Microsoft Edge browsing. So you can use your Microsoft Edge as your web browser to earn points for browsing the internet. And also number 4 here, check the Microsoft Reward dashboard for daily offers. These might include tasks such as watching videos, clicking links, or completing surveys. Number 5, weekly and monthly challenges. Participate in weekly and monthly challenges to earn bonus points. These challenges often include a series of activities that you need to complete over a period of time. Number 6, quizzes and trivia. So you can also take part in quizzes and trivia games available on the Microsoft Rewards site. These activities are not only fun but also rewarding. This is one of my favorite ways to do it. Number 7 here, shopping on the Microsoft Store. So you can earn points by making purchases from the Microsoft Store. This includes buying apps, games, movies, and other products. Number 8, Xbox activity. So if you have an Xbox, you can earn points by playing games, completing quests, and participating in special promotions. Number 9 here, referrals. Invite friends to join Microsoft Rewards. You can earn points for each friend who signs up using your referral link and start earning points. Number 10 is streak bonuses. So when you maintain a streak by completing daily sets and other activities consistently, streak bonuses can give you additional points as well. And I've jotted down some tips for maximizing your points as well. So if you set Bing as your default search engine, this makes it easier to earn points through your regular web searches. And also, if you use the Microsoft Rewards app, this app can help you stay up to date on the latest offers and track all of your points in one place. And also check for promos. So Microsoft often runs special promos that allows you to earn extra points.